My name is Anne. I live in Ohara Township, and we had our kitchen remodel done in the summer of 2024. The most frustrating part was finding somebody that I felt I could trust. We've had several contractors that were just terrible experiences, and I had a lot of anxiety about the scope of the project I wanted done and finding somebody that I felt would do a quality job and that I could trust to do it. So I went to the Pittsburgh Home Show and I visited all the kitchen remodel booths, and then came home, did my homework, and I really liked two things about them. Number one, their business model I found very impressive, and number two, their reviews were stellar. I really didn't find any bad reviews, and that really made me feel good about my choice. Missy was extremely easy to work with. She listened to everything we said and was able to bring our vision to life. The installation crew was wonderful. They were on time every day, neat and cleaned up at the end of the day. If there was ever an issue that came up, they communicated with us and were there to fix it immediately. My favorite part of working with Pittsburgh's Best was the communication that they have with their clients. I love the app. It was very easy to use, and it allowed me to communicate with them whenever I needed to, and they were very quick to respond, and they just did a fantastic job. I would say if it fits into your budget, absolutely use them. I had such a wonderful experience with them, and the end product is beyond my wildest dreams. I think my favorite feature, besides my large island that I adore, is my little cabinets for all my appliances that were built in, so everything can be tucked away. I just want to thank them for such an incredible job that they did here. I live in this kitchen now. This is my favorite part of the house, and I can't say enough about the wonderful job that from start to finish that they did. And I highly recommend for everybody to get their kitchen done with Pittsburgh Best.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.